All right, folks, we're going to answer a couple questions regarding headlights. We do a ton of headlight upgrades. I'm going to show you all the different options for your G Wagon, ranging from older to newer. So let's start with the old one. Here we have a G500. This is a 2000 model year, and this has our projector headlight upgrade. It's a fairly inexpensive one. Out the door, I think we're $1,200 for this. We have the projector headlights, we have the adjusters from factory Mercedes in there, and we actually put LED bulbs in there. These are probably some of my favorites. Bang for the buck, they're tough to beat, and they just work exceptionally well. Moving over here, this is a German brand. I'm gonna mispronounce it. I'm not even gonna pronounce it because you can only get these in Germany. They're kind of a pain in the butt to get in the US, but they sure look neat and sharp. This is a love-hate relationship. Some people like the split down the middle of the light, some people don't. Again, it's a mix of projector with some other LED elements in there. It is a full LED light. They're exceptionally hard to get. I'll get that link in the end of the video here. Moving over to this is a 1995. This is factory headlights. This is the #1 reason we end up replacing these headlights, because they just don't work that well. For 1995, this was adequate. This was all the lumens they required. But as you see, it just doesn't have that much light output, and it looks very dated and very tired. Again, this truck with these headlights, that's exactly what that black truck had, and that's exactly what that truck had. The #1 livable thing we do is replace these so you're safer when you're driving at night. This is a 97 G300 turbo diesel. Now, this one also had this incandescence. This is a different variant. This actually has the Rigid Truck Lite LED lights. These are super bright. These are very robust and very inexpensive. They're kind of tricky to get to fit into some of these older trucks because you have to modify the housing a little bit. But from a bang for the buck perspective, these are very inexpensive and they work. They're very bright. Some people don't like them because it splits the beam high versus low, and they do look kind of goofy when you're going down the road. But from a utilitarian standpoint, these are sure tough to beat. This is an OEM 2015 headlight with a projector. Again, this is factory. It works very, very well. And this is a lot of what the aftermarket stuff is modeled after, because it works well, it's clean. Aesthetically, it steps the truck up a little bit, and it kind of ticks all those boxes, you know? This is also another variant. This is a 2004 G500. This is the kind of the MB USA style. We do replace a lot of these well. Again, they were incandescent. I think 06 you started to get HIDs in there from the factory. This is one we commonly will pull these out and jump up to a projector style headlight or an LED as well. So there's a lot of improvement here. So again, this is 2004, a lot of improvement to be had. This is a 2015. This is kind of the standard. We like these. These work really well. It doesn't have a lot of the goofy halos and stuff that we're seeing with the newer trucks. It's very clean. This is the all-time ultra rugged off-road professional. I see a lot of guys go for these, and I can't knock them because, man, they work so freaking good. This kind of stuff, if you've got a truck that's barely putting out light, do us all a favor. It's safety for you, your family, and oncoming traffic. That's the #1 reason we do this. Aesthetics are always secondary. These lights, I think, look really cool. They're out of Germany. It starts with an O. They're really tough to get. I will get that link. These are probably our favorite go-to. They're very clean. They're effective, they're inexpensive, and most importantly, they're effective. They work great. There you go. There's a brief synopsis of the different headlight styles. Give us a shout, get in touch, let us know if we can take care of your truck and get some new headlights in there. Like and subscribe, please.